That note, just counting down onto the market close, and let me hand it over to Snehi for the closing trades.
Well, absolutely. If you take a look at the kind of turn that the market has taken in today's trade until the halfway mark, the midday mark, the market was in the green. The broader indices by very few percentage points, but nonetheless we were in the green. But now a sharp knock over there, 0.5% cut on the Nifty, 0.5% cut on the Sensex as well. Nifty is lower by about 130 points on an intraday basis, and most importantly sub that 26,000 mark. Remember, we were comfortably above 26,000 at one point of the day, but that has reversed because the advanced decline ratio has even more steeply skewed towards the declines. It was always in the favor of the declines today ever since the get-go, but that broader market ratio has fallen much faster towards the declines, and on the back of that you have the Nifty mid-cap that's slipped into the red, and Nifty small-cap whose cuts have intensified, about a 1% cut on the Nifty small-cap index. Very quickly want to take a look at what India VIX is doing, because at the midday mark we did see about a 5 to 6% cool off on the India VIX. Based on this uncertainty, want to see if there's been a spike up. Yes, we're back above that 13 level and almost a 3% cool off. So that cool off continues, but nonetheless we've spiked up once again above that 13 mark on the index. Taking a look at some of the index gainers, you had Tech Mahindra that did well. Remember, Motilal Oswal upgraded a lot of the IT stocks, and they're bullish on the IT space. On the back of that, Nifty IT was the only sector to close in the green today. Good move on Nifty IT with names like Tech Mahindra, Wipro, TCS, all of them doing well. On the flip side, you had a whole host of stocks from the Nifty 50 like BEL, JSW Steel, Max Healthcare, Dr. Reddy's Labs. All of them saw steep declines. If you take a look at the broader market moves, then you had, before that, let's take a look at some sectoral moves. IT, the only sector in the green. On the flip side, Nifty Realty, a 2% cut, a 6% cut on Anant Raj, the biggest Nifty loser today on the back of these labor laws and what they could mean for some of the real estate construction costs. So metal, energy, FMCG, auto, pharma, media, banks and PSU banks, that's the pecking order. Names like IKS, Jyoti CNC, NBCC on the order when Afcons Infra did well. On the flip side, Anant Raj, First Source, Deepak Fertilizer, Chambal Fertilizer, Himadri Specialty. So fertilizers and chemicals were also taken down in today's trade. But that is how we've shut shop for the day. 25,950 thereabouts. Looks like we've not even hung on to that 25,950 mark. We'll give that rate some time to settle. But in the meanwhile, it's back to you in the studio.
Right, okay.